Yeah.
I'ma be a bucket till I climb out.
Yeah.
Body every season.
Buckler, she a body every season. That means that she look good every season. You see me, I say when I winter, she have the winter clothes, man, still set good on her body. When I spring, she still look good. When I summer, she body rider them out. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, aka the Clash Hype Man, aka the month aka me have behind my name. It's countless. But anyways, people, we here with a wait. If you see a name over here, so big up your bumbleclad self. Thanks for commenting on my videos. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for the support. Consider subscribing to the channel right now if you're new. You see me? For the most lit music video reactions, them over here side there. You see me? I say I'm react to one and two other right now, like this one right now. When the viewers them say, yo, we need a review that react to that song. You see me? I say, I'm gonna every song I get, every audio, when I get my react to. Or give me a reaction. Call myself, I'm not a review channel. I'm not a review channel. I'm gonna say it again. I am not a review channel. I do reactions. My brain, not the part them left the way I'm Amari and I know boy. But my name is the part Amari left. You see me? I say, yeah. But I'm not a review channel. You see me? Reaction boss. So that's who I'm going for the singer, man. Alkaline, high props. For the girls them. Let me see what I go on.
What? Let me get high props. Let me get high props.
Ooh. I'm still mad in the nose. I sing for the girls them when I get one of bad man reaction them right now. Right now, at the clash we are playing, dog. What you deal with, brother? What make you finish the game so much, dog? What make you so bumbuckle smart, bro, God? Yo, you know, so want to see you come answer to all them man we are this from one day. Be a some woman start this to some girl that this right now and be a man run out in that. No star. Arms House Records, big up yourself. I think Arms House Records, they do that something about many. One more guy, yeah. Messed that singer, I messed that singer last night, but nice and easy now, and pull. When you know you make your ball out. Yo, messed that song, the button that will just come out here. Anyway, that's something I have for review. That's something I have for react. Sorry. We make it carry that day. What? We make it carry that way, dog. But nice and easy now, and pull. When you know you make your ball out. I trip your back with bumbleclad, blow. Yo, me love music and fuck. Nah, run tune.
Yeah. Bubble up your waistline, baby.
Yeah.
Girl in a sunshine, man, fancy so.
Yeah. If a girl, the man say for do, bubble up your waistline, baby. You know, say drive man crazy, so. You see me, I say for the girls, all the girls them go and brainwash. Go up on Instagram right now, you see the whole event girls them run out. You see me, I say upon them story. They go so go up on Snapchat, you see them run out. And I'm bubble at the waistline. You me I say, bumbleclad.
I miss one piece of hotness. Come in with the cap and I ride like the rodeo. I make you bubble to the baseline, baby.
Bumbleclad, what I make you take car and I ride like what? And what can I ride him say I take car and I want to hear what I say a while ago because he not miss me. Make we hear what go on.
Come in with the cap and I ride like the rodeo. I make you
rodeo? What is that no? Me not hear lyrics good, me not hear it good, and me not get it good. Okay, much time I play it over, me know me not gonna hear it, so only can tell me what I'm saying down below in the comment section. But girls them, I know so they run out right now, but one thing, me sorry, you know some artists don't really repost things when they tag them in Instagram. I don't know why Alkaline levels, why I'm thinking so, dog. And them fans them different. You see me I say. But the man, you know some artists that repost something, them fans them thing, same fans tag them in one Instagram story, them repost it. Them man don't really do them something, the dog. But run tune.
to the baseline, baby. And you see I hit a tell you where to do. And she a move like a goddess.
But now the man say she a move like a goddess. And any see I tell her what to do. Say just a boom in the house. Come over man, say for a house party. Quarantine just done. I keep a little house party. I have some energy it's our wait. You see me say she forward over on the block. I'm say yeah, they will be ups. We have some energy over here. So true, me no say energy go tell herself to wind up her body and go on bad. Me say energy go deal with her case. I say what's my some energy for your drink? Give her some energy, me should go and drink. You know me I say. Then boom. That now no brain again, man. Nothing no good at. Brother, why? But run tune. Bomba clap. Once a real hot girl, make you high props. Me fear not get till the till the climax. A climax him saying hold on. When the girls are more of them. More I see you in the comment section right now. See me I say? Run tune. Yeah. Yeah. Body every season. Clash, she a body every season. That means that she look good every season. You see me I say when I winter she have the winter clothes and still set good on her body. When I spring, she still look good. When I summer, she body ride at them out. Be a bikini. You see me I say when that's snow in a snow season in winter now, she have on a pretty little fur snowshoe with them. You see me I know like a pretty fur panty. You see me I say like a pretty fur brassiere. She ready for it. She's a body every season. And you know what I mean? You know what body mean? Body. Jamaican girl don't really call themselves body. But run tune. Yeah. My type of girl light up the world. Look at blood class smart in Alkaline. You smart no Ross, you know. I tell you, I finish the game, you know. But anyways, me I say still. I'm gonna represent for the girls, them dog. They can't see the whole event girl, them happy, so that's why you job right now. You hear me I say? Oh, what is I want to say? Hold on, what is? Progressive? No, man, no one that. Hold on, insurance that cheap, man. That cheap, man. What? Insurance? Oh, that cheap. We're not gonna put that in the video. One more class. Can't put it in the mouth. Anyways. Alright. Run back in that song. We get carried away a while ago. But get a original or something that. How much I pay for my insurance now? Show them if you know about that. Run tune. Bomba clat. Yeah, me represent for the girls them are Alkaline. You see some like when the girls them turn back here, but you see them turn back here. The girl them get too afraid. You see me I say, man, me right to do no have a little style. So turn on and I get the back. You don't like up on the knee. But me not like you on the on the knee, you know. Me not like on the on the bed. Me want to turn up on the bedside and belly over. You see me I say, for your feet, every bum buckle. You see me? Me no want you just. Yeah, me no want you just bend up on the bed and just up on the knee. No. Turn up on the bumper clock going and bend over upon the bed. You see me? Yeah. Anyways. Red tune. I go judge if you give me this in funny first day. Between me and her, that's there. Ati young, like a girl. Body looks so good. Dog. Some girl don't want to run the post. Well, run the post. You know, see me, some girl, and a long time they don't have a little man friend. I have a little man to make them feel nice and comfortable. And them well want to get the post for the first day, but them don't want to come off as easy. So see you as a girlish now, you have to set her and say, no, say what? I make treat her good. Me buy her anything she want me to buy. Make she know, make she trust me. Make she know, say, yeah, me the right man for she get the pumps, because I know she well want the day too. You see me? Treat her nice and proper, man. You see me? I said, just get it on the first day, because you're girlish. Run tune. I take you, man, she want. I you me a pray. This is what me want. Take time now. Bubble up your waistline, baby. Girl, that's sunshine, man. Yeah, one thing about that song. I like it for the girls, the man thing and thing, but I will never expect this from Alkaline. But as we all know, Alkaline is very unpredictable. And he is one of the biggest finessers in the game right now. In this music industry, he's one of the biggest finessers right now. Finesse them blood clot. One time them try to do what him do. It don't work. All like him don't work because of him style. I just say go. I'm the most unbiased person I go see on YouTube, you know. See me because of music me say, you know. It didn't mean I say. But me not like that. We have to give man respect. What him do, it work for him. And everybody can do what him do. Alkaline is a different man. You see me I say? Yeah. Run it through now. So I go on. Yes, already. Say heart cool, just on my heart cool. That in your walls and I deal with it like I do. What I'm saying in your what? Roll on. Run it back. Run it back. Let me see what go on now. Cool, that in your walls and I deal with it like I do. Are you bring the heat, make you feel like summer? No one. Bumbo clag, girl, you bring the heat, make you feel like summer. You know, after I go a couple rounds, welling. You know me I say. And then she beat the John a little bit and you know what I mean? It's a jump back, man. It's when you put it, you feel warm. Give me a hey, you know, virgin on the bed. No, you know, I get too carried away with the reaction here, so you know, so I go calm it back down because I have some little minors. I watch it thing. I love my channel make it's set for not made for kids, so my kids don't feel watch me anyway. So then I say, YouTube will know the right, we know the right thing. No kids not fear watch it. Ready, John?
But and you a lead front runner. So then you back, jack it up, position. Wine, anytime you ready, the way
oh, fuck clot, bend your back, cock it up, position, wine. Hey, the Benita girls, I'm happy the blood clot, you know, Alkaline. It's a good look, but we still never expect that song. I not stop saying. I think you got answer the man, them brother, I make dancer go on. Nice! Brother, you know, see me make a video over here, so that kind of bumbuckle bell fuckery that you keep up a man place, dog. Look at him too. Him boy is man now. Oh, very tune.
Tell me where it got that. Me no see nobody yet. We could have me change my mind. Atty youngin, like American.
Yeah, maybe. I'm big up on yourself, you know, girls. I like it. It's a good look for the vendetta girls. Me say right now, song come to a nigh. The end is nigh. So if you still watch the video right now, someone want to do more on the comment. Push down below the comment section. See me say that's the vendetta comment, you know. That's the vendetta comment. That's the vendetta saying. So push in the comment section. Be a push. You see me say, they want you to grade that song out of 10. You see me say, I'm sure 10 to give that song. You see me say for the vendetta people. We know say, I don't know say the other camp, the Gaza fans will come over and come. But people, I mean, we not support. Like the video. I mean the reaction boss. You know, so react to everything over here. So we know bias over here. They me say. So just don't dislike the video, but it really matter. Can't tell no for. Big up on yourself, though. Now, see what I go for side song.
Good one, take you man, show. I am me a pre. This is what me want. I make a bubble to the baseline, babe.
Alright, for the ladies them, big up on yourself. General, thanks for your support as usual. Big up on yourself in a real bumbuckle bell killy. Me could do a real. Right now, I feel good. I feel blood clot good. You see me, I say last one goal I did 6K, I reach it. I don't know, so for the year, I will say where I go. 10 1,000 subscribers we are go for. So subscribe if you don't subscribe yet. Know who you have vote for. Reaction Boss, Clash Hype Man, or Tyrekevlogs. Tyrekevlogs is in full effect. After quarantine, then my girlfriend I go on some cruise and some bumbuckle traveling. You see what I said? Like we got LA last one. Check out the LA vlogs, for now check them out. They're up on the screen somewhere right now. Bow!